To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here.
Unlock the sensor by pulling the red tab backwards. Pinch the center and pull outwards to remove it.
Disengage the sensor wires from their catch. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Use either a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the wire harness.
Reinstall the sensor and lock it into place.
Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.